Hi, my name is Curtis Drake. Today I want to talk to you about term life insurance. Term life insurance is one of the most popular products on the market today. Why? Because what it does is provide the greatest benefit for the least amount of price. Term is what it states. It is a non-cash value product. In other words, you can't draw on it. It doesn't build up cash. And for that reason, it's also a certain period of years. And then after those period of years, then the product is done. And then you have to requalify again. So term, for the purposes that I write insurance, let's call it 10-year blocks, 20-year, or 30 years. So how long do you want to protect yourself? You want to protect yourself for 10 years, 20 years, 30 years. Some things to consider is what is the value of what you need to protect? And I have another video that you can go into that says life insurance calculator that goes into depth a little bit more on that. So term life insurance, again, is going to give you a great amount of benefit for a little bit of money. From what I understand and what I've seen personally in my life is that life insurance now is better priced with more benefits than has ever been before. So it's a great opportunity to purchase a life insurance policy, protect you, protect your family during that period of time that you want to determine. So 3 things that go into pricing a life insurance policy. You're always going to hear these ads, buy the cheapest, buy the cheapest. What they don't tell you is the factors involved. So we're not going to try to steer you to buy the cheapest. We're going to get you to buy the right policy for you. That's what the most important thing is. The most important asset that you have is your ability to work, to earn money, to provide for yourself and those that you care about. That's what we're insuring. We're insuring called income replacement. So if you were to die today, what are we insuring? That gets you, hopefully that'll stimulate your mind in terms of thinking about what to cover. Believe me, when you sit down and you look at, there's a lot of values of spending a little bit of money for a lot of life insurance. And even if you need more of a budget friendly, those prices are there. Just take some time to talk to your advisor. So 3 things that are involved in pricing the product. First, your age. Younger people, it's cheaper than older people. Your health. Not everybody qualifies for life insurance. Say that as a flat out statement. From my perspective on the products that I sell, I have seen the majority of people, even if you've had some problems in the past, as long as it's under control, that's something to consider to look at life insurance. And 3, of course, is the amount you want to purchase. You have that during your insurance is the basis of your financial plan. If you have that during your working years, your ability to earn, then that's what's protecting you and your family. 3 things that are critical in life insurance, living benefit or riders. So you might look at it as endorsement or rider. We call it a rider. So there's 3 things. Terminal illness. Say you have a term insurance plan. You have a terminal illness. You're going to die within 24 months. You can advance part of that benefit, give you the money that you need today, knowing that you're going to die within 2 years. Okay? Great benefit to help pay for medical bills, sustain your family, be with them during that critical time. Critical care. Did you know that every 66 seconds, someone develops Alzheimer's disease? Every 40 seconds, someone has a heart attack or a stroke. Pretty scary, right? Do you know anybody that's had a heart attack, cancer, stroke, and they've lived? What happens with the living benefit riders is they'll help take care of you, provide for a benefit as well. So we talked about the terminal. So if you go into critical, and it's easy, there's about 16 of them, but you think of qualifying life events. Let's just call it heart attack, stroke, cancer. If you have a massive heart attack, I'm in my 50s. So say I'm 60, I have a $1 million policy and I have a massive heart attack. What can happen, as long as I've qualified in the past, the policy's in force, I can go to the life insurance company and say, hey, I've had this debilitating illness. I want to take X amount based on what I qualify for the policy. They'll send me 1 check, help me pay for my expenses. Chronic illness, not long-term care, but it sort of acts as a long-term care policy. Then they'll send you a check, whatever you qualify for that. So there's 3 benefits of having life insurance that you probably didn't know about that'll help you while you're living. A good plan that you can sleep well at night and you're covered. And that's what term is going to do during the period that you qualify. Thanks for your time.